Welcome to my channel. My name is King Trader and I have started as a beginner trader and now I become a seasoned market participant. So trading is the sole source of my income and I dedicate a significant amount to this. I have created this channel to share my knowledge and experience with you individuals who are looking to this to increase their income and pursue their dreams through trading. So guys, whether you are a new or an experienced trader, my channel will help you enhance your skills, advance in your trading journey. Subscribe to stay informed about my latest videos. So before getting started, I want to make sure to follow my Telegram channel to receive valuable information for improving your trading abilities and share insightful content and remarkable strategies and financial news, and also discuss various interesting things and learning about my recommended indicators. Check out my Telegram channel to stay tuned till the end to enhance your understanding of combination indicators with market mechanics. So in this video, I want to showcase a range of remarkable trades based on indicators, technical analysis. I will demonstrate how utilizing a blend of three indicators can greatly assist a trade during the trading process. So यहाँ पे आप you can see indicators I'm using over here. Indicator I'll show you. Wait, okay. First candles, you can see the candles which is a time frame M1, and I'll move to indicators so that you can see ZigZag, super trend maybe ZigZag, yeah, and Williams R. Okay, so now I'll आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे मैं अभी सेटिंग सब करके बताऊँगा यहाँ पे. उससे पहले एक बार थोड़ा मार्केट को एनालाइज कर लेते हैं. यहाँ से देख सकते हो वी कैन ऑब्जर्व द प्राइस फेल्ड टू रीराइट आई थिंक सो यहाँ पे, एंड द न्यू मैक्सिमम ZigZag लाइन हो रहा है. आई विल चेंज द अमाउंट, नहीं थोड़ा सा कम कर लेते हैं. मैं सोच रहा हूँ आई विल गो विथ 80. पहला ट्रेड है, आई विल गो विथ द सेल पोजिशन यार, बिकॉज द मैक्सिमम यू कैन सी द न्यू मैक्सिमम ऑफ द ZigZag लाइन डाउन ट्रेंड मूवमेंट भी बिगिन हो चुका है, एंड वी कैन सी ऑल्सो दैट ऑस्किलेटर लीविंग द ओवरबॉट जोन डाउनवर्ड. सो लेट्स सी अभी हमने जो हिसाब से हमने यहाँ पे स्ट्रैटेजी टैक्टिक यूज़ की है अपने एक्सपीरियंस मेरे एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से, इज दैट गोइंग टू हेल्प मी आउट. And here we go. Nice guy. So बढ़िया, it's very good. We are going with a good pace now and we are on the pace. Let's see what we can do more. Which currency pair can help us? Next currency pair which I am going to take, I'll see over here. So I'll go with GBP CHF. चलते हैं यहाँ पे. Let's see. I think so we are found the resistance level and the go down. I'll just से पहले मैं यहाँ पे अपना अमाउंट चेंज करता हूँ 32 which is the perfect one. I'll go with the sell position over here because we found that resistance level and we can go down. So the Williamson oscillator you can see over there shows a decline also, leaving that overbought zone में आ चुके हैं हम इसलिए. So therefore यहाँ पे sell position जाना, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं overbought zone आप, उसके बाद यहाँ से leading to the sell position. So as we expected and we are up to good. So we are going pretty well now. Till now I'm saying we have $282 freaking dollars. Nice. And let's see what we can do more over here. I'm going to analyze the market and candles so that I can go with a good performance. Okay. So EUR USD currency pair बढ़िया रहेगा I think so. यहाँ पे we came to the support level I think so, or you can see the attention to the ZigZag line also. You can see आप देख सकते हो ZigZag line को भी. I'll just change the amount first. I'll go with 242 yeah, then I'll go with a buy position over, क्योंकि आप समझ सकते हो यहाँ पे Williamson has also gone into extreme oversold zone. So they are expecting an uptrend over here and the rebound also. For this purpose I am simple going with a buy position over here. क्या मेरी ये स्ट्रेटेजी काम करेगी यहाँ पे? व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? डोंट फॉरगेट टू टेल मी इन कमेंट सेक्शन एंड लेट्स सी क्या देखते हैं हम, क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता यहाँ पे. एंड हियर वी गो अगेन विद अ गुड. नाइस गाइस, अभी हमने अच्छा खासा निकाला है. द स्ट्रेटेजी हैज़ वर्कड गुड एंड आई थिंक सो वी आर एट $500. यू कैन सी देयर वी आर आई थिंक सो. अभी हमें और 2-3 ट्रेड लेने चाहिए जिससे अच्छा पेस बन जाए हमारा. I just want to be analyze the market so that my trade is going pretty well, because analyzing and your experience things make you perfect. So I'm just looking for that, what candles are moving both ways. So OMA CNY currency pair, we are here and we can expect a bounce down, I think so. I'll change further most for $425. Yeah, and I'll move to sell position most probably because I want over here. I am thinking there will be a pullback. You can see we can expect a bounce down with the framework of the pullback, and the oscillator has entered the overbought zone also. For this removal, I think so going for a short position will be the best for you, and that's what I did for me. Here we go once again. So guys, abhi we are going pretty good. We have $896 in the live account. Okay, I'm not worried at all now, and we are going with a good pace, and we are using correct and perfect strategies and indicators so that we don't have anything to face wrong. Okay, we are going good. Let's see guys, अभी मैं यहाँ पे और देखूंगा कौन सा. So next NC pair, I think so we are in this strong downtrend, but the first sign is for an upward reversal has appeared for me. तो I think so पहले अपन change करते हैं इसको. I'll change the amount for maybe 736. Yeah, and I'll maybe go with a long trade over here. Long position is better, I think so, because we can see the formation of high and ashy redimension and candles. Therefore there is no another option than going with a buy position over here. The strategy which I've used is the easy way to understand that going with a position is the perfect thing to do over here at this position. अभी देखते हैं क्या मैं करेक्ट यहाँ पे ट्रेड लिया हूँ बाई करने के लिए या नहीं. And here we go once again. Guys, I said you people before also, it is well, you can do it, but you need to understand the market, stakes, analytics, signals, and also you need to understand, you need to have experience of these ones. Okay, let's move on for the next trade. Okay then, URJPP currency pair, and I think so I'll change the amount, maybe not 1200 बस हो जाएगा क्या. Yeah, 1253 लेते हैं. Let's go. And I think so I'm going with the up option here, because you can see expectation of rebound हो सकता है. मैं expect कर रहा हूँ rebound हो सकते हैं from the lower boundary, and we can open of course an open option because exit from oversold zone हो रहा है of the oscillator, and it is a quite a strong fall which can easily slow down. Let's see क्या हम यहाँ पे जो strategy, the thinking I have used from my mind over here is going to be give a good result for me. And yes guys, we are at 2,726 freaking dollars now. I think so we are going pretty smooth now. I thought it will be best for us, and we have done it. So I hope you were motivated by my result, and I can sure see that devoting your time to trading, watching educational videos, and commenting about trades will bring you express and level up your trading skills to new extreme level. So don't forget about my Telegram channel please, where you can find a lot of useful materials for free and also improve the quality of trading. So please subscribe to my channel, because here you can suggest your ideas in comment section under each video, and I'll produce content for you to answer your questions. So thank you for your attention. See you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye. See you soon.